Hi, this is Alfozia Nihar from At Home Tuition. Welcome to our session today. In today's video, we are going to discuss the topic solving problems on intersecting lines. Here we will discuss some examples on intersecting lines. In mathematics, straight lines have an important role to play in two-dimensional geometry. A straight line is nothing but a locus of all such infinite number of points lying in the two-dimensional space and extending out in either direction infinitely. Thus, a straight line is also referred to as line that has no height but only length. Okay, in the following discussion we shall now move on to understand how the angle between two straight lines is calculated. Note that when we refer to the angle between two lines, in normal cases we are actually referring to the angle between two intersecting lines. This is because the angle between two perpendicular lines is 90 degrees, that is by definition, and that between two parallel lines will be 0 degree. Intersecting lines include vertically opposite angles, linear pair angles, adjacent angles, etc. Okay, let me take few examples. Please look at the question. We are supposed to find the value of x. In the figure, the circle is being divided into many angles. Actually, there are 5 angles. We are supposed to find the unknown variable x. So we know the fact that if we add all the angles in a circle or the entire revolution, it will be add up to give 360 degrees. Am I right? So let us add all these and keep the variable as it is and solve for x value. So the equation would be, I'm starting from x degree and moving clockwise direction. They all add up to give 360 degrees. Now let's combine the like terms. Like terms on the left side of the equation is the numbers, the degrees. So just add 47 degree, 75 degree, 92 degree and 83. So these degrees add up to give 297 degrees. Subtract 297 degrees from both these sides so that we can isolate x degree on the left side of the equation. So we will get 360 minus 297 will give you 63. So the unknown x value is 63 degrees. Just look at the figure and search for the rule that will be applicable in the figure. This figure denotes the entire circle. So I'm taking the sum equal to 360 concept. Hope you're clear with this example. Here is the next example. Please look at the figure. This figure has 3 angles, 60, 40 and 4x. We are supposed to find x. So by looking at the figure, you can say that these are the angles on a straight line PS. Am I right? So let us use the concept POS is a straight line. So the angle POS would be equal to 180 degrees. That is the supplementary angle. So let us write an equation using the concept. So the angle would add up to give 180 degrees. We have 3 angles POQ, QOR, ROS. Just plug in the values that is given in the figure. POQ is 60 degrees. QOR is 4x. ROS is 40. We have created an equation from the given information. Now let us add the like terms and solve for the x variable algebraically. 60 plus 40 will give you 100. Subtract 100 from both these sides. Divide both these sides by 4 to get x degrees. So the x value is 20 degrees. Hope you're clear with this example. Here is your another example. Please look at the figure. We are supposed to find x degrees. According to the given figure, sum of all the angles should be equal to 360 degrees. So let's write an equation using this. I'm going to add all the angles starting from x degree. This will be equal to 360 degrees. Now let's combine the like terms. All the terms on the left side of the equation is x. So I'm just going to combine them all. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. So this will totally give you 8. 8x on the left hand side. And divide both the sides by 8, which would be equal to 45. Hope you're clear with this example, and the concept used here, sum of all the angles should be equal to 360 degrees. Here is the next example. Please look at the figure. Okay, you can understand that these two lines intersect and the angles given are vertical angles. The important property of vertical angles is those angles will be equal. So set the given two degrees equal and solve for x. The reason for setting these two equal is vertical angles. Now as usual, you have to solve this equation algebraically. Now let's collect all the like terms on one side of the equation by adding 10 on both the sides. Hope you're clear with this step. We still need to find the value of x, so I'm going to divide both the sides by 2. 130 over 2 will give you 65. Therefore x value is 65 degrees. So using the property vertical angles are congruent, we were solving this problem. Hope you're clear with this step. In case if you are asked to find each of the vertical angle, you need to substitute this x value back in the given question and find the value. Please look at this example. These two lines are perpendicular to each other, and these two lines are straight line obviously. So whatever angle is there on the straight line, it will add up to give 180 degree. That is the property of any supplementary angle. Supplementary angle is also known as straight line angle. Hope you remember that. Okay, now let us frame two equations using the concept supplementary angles. Let me just type the property on the board first. On the left side of the straight line, we have two angles. Let us use the concept supplementary angle for these two and frame one equation. Here is your first equation by adding these two angles. Now let's create second equation by adding the angles on the right side of the straight line. Hope you're clear with this step. Let us consider equation 1 and solve for y first. Here is your equation 1. Let's open the parenthesis. Positive sign anything will give you positive only. Positive, 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 negative, negative. Combine the like terms. 2 plus 5 will give you 7. 50 minus 17 is 33. Now let us shift 33 to the other side of the equation by subtracting 33 degrees from both the sides. So on the right side you will get, hope this makes sense so far. Now divide both the sides by 7 to get the value of y. By simplifying, y value will be equal to, hope you're clear so far. We are just using the fact that angles on a straight line will add up to give 180 degrees. That is nothing but supplementary angle. By using that concept, we are just adding two expressions and combining the like terms and solving for the unknown variable y. Same way, let us use the equation number 2 and solve for x variable. Here is your equation number 2. Let us distribute the sign plus. 7 plus 1 will give you 8. Negative 248 plus 44. That will give you negative 204. Just add 204 on both the sides of the equation so that you can isolate 8x on the left side of the equation. 180 plus 204 will give you 384. As usual, divide both the sides by the coefficient of x to get the x value. So I'm going to divide both the sides by 8. Yes, we have got the value for x2. Hope you're clear with this example. We were using supplementary angles property here. Here is your example question. Angle E and angle F are supplementary. So the relationship between these two angles are supplementary. The measure of angle E is 54 more than the measure of angle F. Find the measures of each angle. Since this question is dealing with supplementary angles, I'm going to use the property. Supplementary angles are the two angles with measure that have a sum of 180 degrees. So angle E plus angle F will add up to give 180 degrees. Supplementary angles are the two angles with measures that have a sum of 180 degrees. So the angle E and angle F will add up to give 180 degrees. Where angle E is 54 more than the measure of angle F. It means angle F plus 54. More than means plus sign. Now let's combine the like terms on the left hand side. We have 2 angle F. Now subtract 54 from both the sides of the equation. Divide both the sides by 2 to get the value of angle F. Half of 126 is 63. Hope you're clear so far. Now it remains for us to find the angle E. Let us back substitute this angle F in E. It is given that angle E is 54 more than angle F. So I'm going to replace angle F by 63 here. So totally it will be 117 degrees. We have got the values for both the angles, angle E and angle F. Hope you're clear with this example. We have few more angles when dealing with angles with intersecting lines. Let us see more details about the same topic in the next video. Hope you're clear with all the concepts and examples that we discussed in this video. See you in the next video.